Octember fail number 2. The outdoor temperature and humidity sensor for the wireless thermometers has failed in regards to the humidity. I'm quite certain it's not 1% out. This is kind of an odd one. I'm going through the house checking some of the other receivers and they're all working properly. Here's another one, different model but works off the same transmitter, and the humidity reading is correct. Let's try shutting it off and shutting it back on again. These have a coin cell battery under here, which is really handy. It saves the date and time, so now we don't have to reset the date and time. Perfect. It's working again. Stopped working for no reason, started working for no reason.